This is from our room.
Huh?
I'm videoing, babe. This is from our room. You can see the tail of one helicopter, and you see the other helicopter. And this is about the 12th helicopter we've seen today. Oh, there he is. He's coming out. He's got something in his hand. And we'll see what he comes back with. And that's what, this is what Ori's doctor said that Dr. Red Duke started, was this helicopter landing here at Herman for, I guess, heart patients and stuff. It's pretty cool. But usually we only see red helicopters, but today we've seen yellow, black, this one's blue. What other colors have we seen today? Anyway, it's pretty cool. Because usually we can't see them on here. Usually they're behind that right there. But today we can really see them good. And they are just coming every 10-15 minutes or so. I don't know what that means. Like, I don't know. But I think these today are picking up, like, not people, but picking up other stuff and taking it. I hope we can see him come out and see what he's got. But this is our view. This is Herman Hospital, and they say, I don't know, y'all probably know, but that right there, someone told us is the children's part, but I don't know. And Red Duke is probably around here somewhere walking his dog. Maybe I'll see him today. I don't know. It would be really cool. See him. But this is our view. Oh, here he comes. Oh, shoot. Trying to see what he's... Oh, he put a... Looks like he put something in the helicopter. It looked like a cooler, maybe. I don't know.
We might end up in one, not in one of those helicopters. We're gonna get us some binoculars.
Yeah. I'm scared I'll see like a crime or something though, because we got
Maybe
right over here.
Red boot.
What?
Maybe you'll see dead boot, red loot.
What?
Red boot.
What? Oh.
Maybe you'll see Red Duke stop the crash.
Yeah, Red Duke.
Oh.
I liked all those other words you said though. He's talking Flurbish.
I'm good at it.
He gets it from his mama. Oh, there goes the black one. Oh, it's blue, dark blue.
Well, where did you get it from?
So right now there's, that one just left. So right now that means there was 3 helicopters on the landing. As you can see, oh.
Yeah, I ain't hear nothing.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes. And you can see the tail end of the red one. There it goes. I don't know where they're going. I want to know. I want to know what they're doing. So there they go. Anyway, so that's entertainment for us. Now we're gonna go for a walk.